commitment goes to compartment toast. The provocation of the recombinant DNA molecules must occur inside a living system or ghost. Many types of the ghost cells are available for gene cloning, which includes E. coli, yeast, animal or plant cells. The type of ghost cell depends upon the cloning experiment. E. coli is the most widely used organism as its genetic makeup has been extensively studied. It is easily to handle and grow, can accept a range of factors, and has also been studied for safety. One more important feature of E. coli to be preferred as a ghost cell is that under the optimal growing conditions, the cells divided every 20 minutes. Since the DNA is hydrophobic molecule, it cannot pass through the cell membranes. In order to force bacteria to take up the plasmid, the bacterial cells must first be made competent to take up DNA. This is done by treating them with a specific concentration of divalent cation such as calcium. Recombinant DNA can then be forced into such cells by incubating the cells with recombinant DNA and ice, followed by placing them briefly at 42 degrees Celsius and then putting them back on ice. This enables the bacteria to take up the recombinant DNA. For the expression of eukaryotic proteins, eukaryotic cells are preferred because to produce a functionally active protein, it should fold properly, and most post-translation modifications should also occur, which is not possible by prokaryotic cell. Committed ghost means how to commit the ghost. In the vectors. So the what is in this? I see in this that prokaryote cells. First we see in this the prokaryote cells. Many types of this vectors are available. Many types of this ghost cells are available like this E. coli, yeast, animals and plant cells. So do you know that DNA is a hydrophobic molecule? So because it is not easily passed through this cell membrane. So it is a bacteria in the plasmid. In the bacteria, suppose take the plasmid. In the bacteria, so having this plasmid. So this plasmid is take up the DNA. So because of this, force are applied in this the bacteria. So take up the DNA. So this take up the DNA. So in this specific concentration. So specific concentration of the divalent cation such as calcium anions taking place in this DNA through the DNA. So this DNA, so incubating for the such periods on this ice. That is the 42 degrees Celsius. So briefly 42 degrees Celsius followed by this 42 degrees Celsius. First it can keep it in this incubation period. So first ice, next so 42 degrees Celsius. So then is putting to the back to this ice. Remaining put on this ice. So this enables this bacteria take up the recombinant DNA. So the same expressions of this eukaryotic cells. So prefer because it not functionally active. This produce functionally active protein. So this translation modification takes place. But it is not translation modification is not takes place in this prokaryotes. That is the E. coli. So this it is not undergoing this divided for this 120 minutes. It can be divided. So I understand. So commitment of the ghost. So commitment of this ghost in the living system. So the recombinant DNA molecules occurs inside this ghost cells. So it is available in this ghost cells. That is the gene cloning for this ghost cells. E. coli, bacteria, yeast. So in the plant and the animal cells. So there is a type of this ghost cell you have to select it. In this E. coli you have to select it. The prokaryotic organisms can be studied. So they handle and grow that. So they accept the ranges studied for safety. Because of this host cells under the optimal growing conditions, only this every 20 minutes it can be optimum temperature 20 minutes it can be grow. So this DNA means the philic molecules because it is not easily enter into this ghost cell. So the bacteria, that is a bacteria, contains the plasmids. So this plasmids are forced take up of this DNA. So that is the recombinant DNA is first incubation of this ice, next followed by this 42 degrees Celsius. The remaining glutathione size, that is enables the bacteria. Enables the bacteria means it is not taking this bacteria. The recombinant DNA is not taking that. So the same way for this eukaryotes, this taking is modifications that takes place, translation modifications or takes place, and that is not possible by this prokaryotic cells. So next one is methods of gene transfer. The next step after the recombinant DNA molecules has been generated is to introduce it into a suitable ghost cell. There are many methods to introduce recombinant vectors, and these are depend on several vectors such as the vector type and host cell. So first one, achieving is a genetic transformation in plants, the basic prerequisite in the construction of a vector. So which carries a gene of interest flanked by the necessary controlling sequence. So the promoter and terminator deliver the genes, the ghost plant. The 2 kinds of the gene transfer that takes place. First one, direct or vectorless gene transfer, indirect or vector mediated gene transfer. So methods of the gene transfer. So you have to taking this recombinant DNA, all the things are there is fermentation methods, all the methods you have to genetic engineering methods is followed. So you are taking the recombinant DNA. So how to insect this other organisms? So what are the ways are followed? So how to achieve this genetic transformation from this plants or other things? So what are the preference of this in the construction of this vector? So and the ghost. So that is that promoter or terminator. So that is deliver the gene. How to deliver the genes from the host plant? How to deliver the genes from the host plant? There are 2 ways: direct or vectorless gene transfer, indirect or vector mediated gene transfer. Direct or vectorless gene transfer. So the direct transfer methods, the foreign gene of interest is delivered. Of interest means the target gene is delivered into the host plant without the help of the vector. So we are not having this vector. So you have to directly inject it into this vector. So following the chemical method, mediated gene transfer. Chemical mediated gene transfer, certain chemicals like polyethylene glycol and textile sulfate introduce the DNA uptake into the plant protoplast. So first they introduce that DNA in this plant protoplast. They introduce a polyethylene glycol in this plant protoplast. So polyethylene glycol treated the protoplast can accept the foreign DNA from the medium directly. So next one, it is a micro injection. The DNA is directly injected into this nucleus using the fine-tipped glass needle or micropipette to transfer the plant cells. The protoplast are immobilized and is solid support or killed with a Golding pipette under the suction. So micro injection means it is a fine-tipped glass needle. It is a fine-tipped glass needle. So you have to see in this pipette. So you have to see in this pipette in this chemistry lab. So that's like this. So by using the fine micro needles, foreign DNA can be injected into the protoplast. This is a very efficient method. So next one is the electroporation method of gene transfer. The pulse of high voltage is applied to the protoplast cells or tissues, which makes a transcendent pose in the plasma membrane through which uptake of the foreign DNA occurs. That is a 4 pulses. So it's not applied with the pulses. During this, the electric fields are applied. So after the pulses, the cells gives and genetically drug inside. So electrophoresis, it is done by this creating an electric field, so that the protoplast becomes temporarily permeable to DNA. Under the suitable voltage, a pore is created in the plasma membrane which permits the entry of foreign DNA. So reversible pores are created by potential of 1 voltage across the membrane. So next one, it is a liposome mediated method of gene transfer. Liposomes, the artificial phospholipid vessels, are useful in the gene transfer. The gene or DNA is transferred from liposome into a vehicle of plant cells. It is carried out by the encapsulated DNA into the vacuole. This technique is advantageous because the liposome protects the introduced DNA from being damaged by the acidic pH and protease enzyme present in the vacuole. So liposomes and tonoplast of vacuole fusion resulted in the gene transfer. This process is called lipoification. This transfer is called lipoification. So lipoification means it is artificially produced. That is artificially produced. There is a phosphodiester bonds are produced. So the gene transferred to this vacuole of the plant cells. So do you know this the plant having this vacuoles? So this vacuoles having this encapsulated DNA vacuoles. So it is because of this it is introduced. It's a DNA protease and damaged with this acidic and pH. DNA protease means it's a protein is protein is slices on the cell. So it is a protein and a pH or acidic, all the things are happen in this vacuole. So it is not damaged from this DNA. So introduced DNA, that is a foreign DNA. So in the liposome or tonoplast having the fusion, liposomes and tonoplast can be mixing and resulted in this gene transfer takes place. This process is called lipoification. So next one is biolithics. So there's a foreign DNA is coated onto the surface of the minute cold or tungsten particles and bombarded and the target tissue or cells using the particle gun. So the bombarded cells or tissues cultured and selected medium to regenerate the plants from the transferred cells. So this is the gun. So this is that gene gun. So this is the gene gun having this that you have to put in this foreign DNA. So foreign DNA it is made up of this some minute cold or tungsten particles. Minute cold and tungsten particles are bombarded onto this and it can be, so you have to choose the darker tissue or the particles. So they bombarded on the tissues or culture. So it can be regenerate the plants. So it is a bombarded So this is the liposome mediated gene transfer. So this is vacuoles are here in the artificial phosphodiester vehicles. This is the cell membrane. This is the nucleus. இதெல்லாம் எங்கே இருக்குது? Plant cell இருக்குது. எண்டோசோமே எண்டோசைட்ஸு லிப்பிட் மிக்சிங்கு இங்கே தான் மிக்சிங் ஆகுது. The lysosome, liposome are here in the